In quantitative research, variables are characteristics or attributes that can be measured and assigned numerical values. They are core elements that researchers manipulate, measure, and analyze to understand relationship, cause and effect, and patterns within a study. These variables can be broadly categorized into independent, dependent, and other types like control, confounding, and extraneous variables, each playing a specific role in research design. Here's a breakdown of common variables types in quantitative research. First, we have the independent variable. This variable is manipulated or changed by the researcher to observe its effect on another variable. It's considered the cause in a cause and effect relationship. Example, in a study testing the effect of different color lights on plants grow. The color of the light is the independent variable. Next is the dependent variable. This variable is measured to see if it's affected by the independent variable. It's considered the effect in a cause and effect relationship. Example, in the plant growth study, the height and growth rate of the plants would be the dependent variable. Then we have control variables. These variables are kept constant throughout the study to minimize their influence on the dependent variable. They help isolate the effect of the independent variables on the dependent variable. Example, in the plant growth study, control variables might include the type of soil, amount of water, and temperature. Extraneous variables. These are any variables that might affect the dependent variables but are not independent variables. They can control or uncontrolled. Example, in the plant growth study, factors like the intensity of sunlight, of the presence of pests could be extraneous variables. Confounding variables. These are a type of confounding variables that are related to both the independent and dependent variables, making it difficult to determine the true relationship between them. Example, in the study of an exercise and weight loss, a confounding variables could be diet, as it related to both exercise habit and weight. Categorical variables. These variables represent categories or groups. Example, include gender, hair color, and educational level. Lastly, continuous variables. These variables can take on any value within a range. Example, include height, weight, temperature, or age. Continuous variables can be further classified as discrete, countable values, or continuous. Understanding the different types of variables is crucial for designing and interpreting quantitative research, ensuring that the study is well structured and the results are valid. Thank you for watching.